Hello guys, from my Stlt Iacopelli, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an outstanding video. Look at this. I am in my own town, Torramare, exactly in my own house. This is a residence where I live in Italy, and today is going to be special because look at this. Look at this what I have behind me. I got this pizza oven, the hoppet. It's a little bit, that's how it is. So I brought this directly from Naples for this event today. So instead of renting, I say I'm gonna buy this because I'm going to do some amazing videos for you all here in Italy. So during the time that I'm gonna be in Italy, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a lot of videos with this beast. Today I'm gonna go ahead and test this beast with 300 pizzas because we're gonna have a huge event for a really good cause. So the cause of this event I'm gonna tell you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch until the end, smash the like because this deserves a like, and tell me what you think in the comment. So let's start everything in the beginning because I'm gonna get ready. The event is gonna start in 30 minutes, so go ahead, enjoy it and watch until the end. Now it's time to go get the flour, the tomatoes and everything for this event. So let me show you the Italian market. Stretch the pizza. Okay, this is gonna be tough because here we have one of the best, which is Mutti, and also we have Rosso Gargano, which is also really good. So I'm gonna decide now. We're gonna go with Mutti because Mutti is the best, even in Italy. And of course, guys, I find the friarelli. This is very hard to find in the United States of America. These are the best. Trust me. This one with sausage. Wow. Let's go get some other stuff. And voila, we got everything that we need for making the pizzas. And now let's go ahead and let's prep everything. It's time to go ahead and place this beast in location. So let's go. There we go, let's go. Let's go. It's time. Let's go. We are ready to start and do all the setup, and now before everything we have to go ahead and make the pizza dough because tomorrow is the event, not today. Just arrived, guys. Voila, we have all the ingredients to make the pizza dough because this is the most, see this, the POOLISH, guys, this is the key. Stick to the script. So now we're gonna go ahead and make this is the most important part of the video. So let's go, come with me, I'm gonna show you the full recipe to make 250 pizzas.
Ciao Vito, benvenuto nella nostra struttura qui nella Dorica di formazione.
Grazie, non vedo, I can't wait to make the dough here, my friend. Andiamo? Show me what is the location. Voila, we just arrived, guys. Take a look of this place. Amazing. This is where, that's where they teach how to make pizza. What a better place to show you the best pizza dough. So let's go ahead, let's make it. This is the recipe, come here. So we got the POOLISH, 4 liters of POOLISH with 4 kilos of flour, 5 grams of yeast, 5 grams of honey. We got 535 grams of salt, little bit of extra yeast if it's cold. We're gonna put flour, and 11 liters of cold water. And I didn't say the amount of flour, 17 and a half kilos of flour. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to make the recipe. POOLISH first in the machine. Got the flour. The salt. Mix it a little bit, slowly. Now let's add a little bit extra yeast. That's 5 grams of yeast. Now let's put 3/4 of the water. So basically you're gonna save 2 liters for the end. So now let's mix everything at speed 1 and mix it until it's all together. Remember to save 2 liters of water because we're gonna add this when it's time to add it. So let's wait that gets all together. At this point that is all together, like you can see it's very hard. So we're gonna go ahead, put speed 2. Speed 2. We're gonna add the water little by little. And when this water is gonna sort, the dough is ready. So it's gonna take about 10-15 minutes to make this process. See, there we go, finish. Water is finished. Now let's wait just a few seconds that the dough absorbs the water and the dough is ready. Come here, let me show you what I'm talking about, the structure of the gluten. 1, 2, 3. Come here. Voila. That's the dough. Take a look. Fantastic, nice and smooth. See? That's what I'm talking about. Nice and hard. Take a look. Voila. Okay, so now we go to the second step. We put a little bit of olive oil on the counter. Like that. Let's get the dough. Voila. There you go. The dough is super hard to cut, so that means it's really good to build the gluten. The dough is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and make like a little ball. Now a little bit of olive oil on top. So now let's go ahead and let's make the second one. Let's go. There we go, number 2, it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put the olive oil on top. Same thing like the other one. This way it doesn't get dry. Now let's get the plastic wrap and let's cover it. Voila, so now the time that we make the balls, this is gonna rest and we're gonna make the old balls. So enjoy this time lapse. And voila guys, like you can see, in 10 minutes I finished all the balls, and we have exactly 290 balls. So all the dough is ready. I'm gonna keep it at room temperature for overnight. Right now it's 6 o'clock, so tomorrow at 12 o'clock is gonna be the event. So let's go ahead and I'll see you tomorrow morning directly to show you what we're gonna do. Go guys, the first pizza, we are set, everything to rock and roll. Look at this, we got fresh mozzarella, tomato, cream, pesto, everything. So let me make you a special pizza just to start and see how this oven works. This is the pizza dough, let me show you right here. Voila, so boom, perfect. We got 2 different ones. Let's see which one is the first one. Here we go. Let's make the first pizza just to test. Then we're gonna start to make the pizzas. Rapini, salame spicy, pecorino e fresh mozzarella. My father touch. Now let's go the oven. And let's see how this oven works. Alto livello! Se dico io che è alto livello, I show you the pizza, guys. Now I feel better. 3, 2, 1 e la pizza ready. Vai. Questa è una pizza. And see if this oven is approved from my sweet Iacopelli. Let me taste. Tastes so good. So now let's start this event. Let's ready to rock and roll. In a little bit I'm gonna tell you why I made this event. So stay put. Tutti questi soldi che sono stati donati, 100% dei soldi vanno a Don Fabio per aiutare le famiglie più disagiate. Quindi un applauso! This event was for a good cause because it was basically all the money that we made. I decided to give it away to the church, to the poor people of my town, and so this way I feel good, and hopefully this one will make a better holidays for the family.
Molti ignorano, ma a Torre a Mare ci sono tante situazioni, spesso molto nascoste, di famiglie che soprattutto in quest'ultimo periodo, quindi questo fa onore a tutta la comunità, soprattutto riuscendo a organizzare anche un momento per stare insieme, che di questi tempi è sempre bello, al di là di tutto. Quindi, grazie.
And finally, finish. Come with me. It's a mess. We made more than 250, actually 280 pizzas. Seriously, we made a lot. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please share, like, and I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!